When you first start off in the cryptocurrency space, you would probably enter in via a centralized exchange such as Binance or Coinbase. These are two really popular exchanges that are accessible all over the world, and there you'll be able to convert fiat currencies such as USD, Euro, or whatever currency you're trading with over to the various cryptocurrencies that Binance trades with. Now, the next step is then to move those cryptocurrency assets over to the native blockchain that you're working with. And for a lot of the stuff that we do, it's the Cardano blockchain. So you need a Cardano native wallet to interact with and move those assets to. Now, why would you do this? There are a lot of assets that are only available on the native blockchain itself. So if you're working with Polygon, if you're working with Ethereum, or even Cardano, there are certain assets that aren't on the centralized exchanges. And so if you're into some sort of meme coin that isn't listed on a centralized exchange, you do need to move some assets over to purchase them on whatever chain they're on. Now, this video tutorial will take you through how to set up a brand new wallet with NuFi. And NuFi is a great wallet because it's a cross-chain wallet that works on Cardano because it's a Cardano first, Cardano-centric wallet, but also works on other ones such as Ethereum, Flow, Milkomeda, Solana, and Polygon. And these are all really popular blockchains out there. And having a cross-chain wallet that works across all of them makes your DeFi and crypto experience just that much easier, because anything that is supported on those chains, you'll be able to access and manage within your NuFi wallet. So this is a brilliant wallet to start playing around with. So if you're wanting to get up and running, go to their website at nu.fi, it's nu.fi, and click on the install browser extension. So this will only work on a few browsers, so Chrome-enabled browsers such as Brave or Google Chrome. Now, I am using the Brave browser here, so I'll be clicking on Add to Brave. So that will do its thing and install the extension. There it goes. Now, Brave is added to my browser. So let me just click on that and load it up. Now, the really good thing about Brave is that it does support hardware wallets. So you'll be able to use a Ledger or a Trezor in there directly. So if you're very security-minded, you can use your hardware wallet straight away. But in this case, I'm going to use a hot wallet and create a brand new wallet here. Now, this will be a burner wallet. It won't be ever used ever again. And for video demonstrations, it's perfectly fine. Now, here is the first prompt here, and this is asking if I want to use a hardware wallet. In this case, no, I don't. I won't be using a hardware wallet because I'm using a seed phrase based one. So I'll click on no, and I'll give this wallet a name, wallet1. Click on agree and continue. Now, you do need a wallet password. Now, this is a general password that you'll be using to sign transactions or accessing the wallet from time to time. So it's something that you want to easily remember. Now, the next screen here is the actual seed phrase itself. Now, like I said, I won't be using this seed phrase ever again. This is just a demonstration. But you can see the 15-word seed phrase here. And what you need to do is write that down somewhere, not on your computer. You can copy it as plain text here and use maybe a password manager or something, or encrypt this on your computer itself. But it's highly recommended that you don't have this seed phrase somewhere where people can access it online, such as a Google Drive, because if you ever get hacked, anyone with this seed phrase will be able to access all of the assets in your wallet, and that's across all those chains that we're connected with. So highly recommended that you don't ever have this in plain sight like I do right now, because people will be able to access it and take all your assets. Okay, so now let's assume that I've written that down on a piece of paper or etched into stone, something that is a little bit more indestructible. I can now type in all of those words to confirm that I do have and have written down that seed phrase properly. So there we go. So that's my seed phrase there. I'll click on confirm, and my wallet is ready to go. Now, as you can see, it does support all of these various blockchains. So you can click on select all, and it will create all the different wallets for those different ecosystems. But in this case, I'm just going to click on Cardano. So here I'll click on continue and keep going from there. Great, so now my wallet's all ready to go. I can start participating in DeFi and everything else around it. So let's go to my wallet. They've got a few updates here. You can read them at your own leisure. I'll click on close. And we are ready to use our wallet and accept cryptocurrencies from exchanges. But that's it for this video tutorial. We'll be going through a lot more in the future, how to transfer ADA and other crypto assets to your NuFi wallet, and then also how to participate in DeFi and buy some of these brand new cryptocurrency assets out there. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get all those other videos on how to participate in DeFi, connect to decentralized exchanges, and everything else around cryptocurrency space.